Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev, and today I want to show you this very interesting keyboard. This is AL87 from IROK, and if you're looking for the fully aluminum 80% mechanical gaming keyboard for only $34 right now on Amazon on date of recording, it's a steal. Let me show you what this keyboard is about. Is it make sense? Is it worth? And how it can be mod. Let's go. First of all, let's quickly overview the keyboard itself. So as I mentioned, it's a fully aluminum 80% keyboard with 87 keys and full rollover. You can choose between white and black version of this keyboard. This is mechanical keyboard. You can switch keycaps, you can change switches, right? Today I have this keyboard with ABS keycaps, right? And red linear switches. If I understand right, this is this IROK brand switches. Let me quickly show you if they're pre-lubed or not. I can't see any lubricant on it. You can add this lubricant by yourself during modding stage. From the structure point of view, it seems this is a standard red linear switches. From keycaps point of view, they are not bad, they are not shine through, and they are rather budget, but come on guys, $34 price, it's crazy. What you will get as a set from the box? You will have a keyboard itself, you will have a simple cable USB-A, USB-C with a wireless dongle I already inserted into my MacBook. Not bad keycap and switch puller, and basically that's all, right? This keyboard can be switched on and off. You can see this switcher on the upper side. You can connect this keyboard to your Mac or Win devices through Bluetooth, wireless or USB-C cable. On the back side, you have this kind of rubbed fizz, right? 4 of them, and basically that's all from the overview. You have north-facing LED, and this plate, this PCB, accepts 3 or 5 pin switches. You can use any switches and any keycaps what you want. I suggest we disassemble this keyboard and check what is inside, but before that, let's do the initial sound test. You heard the sound, nothing special, nothing too bad or too good, because this red linear switches not pre-lubed, they sound a little bit harsh and as a scent. Also, I don't know what is inside the case, we will check it in a second, but in general, for this budget, you can take this keyboard and do the modding. Let's do it right now. So guys, check this out. Disassembling of this keyboard is real fun if you enjoy to spend time and do this carefully, you know. It's a fully aluminum case with side panels. To be able to disassemble this, you need to remove all keycaps, all switches. Then you need to unscrew these 4 screws hidden under this silicone pins, right? And then you will be able to remove the side panels. And now the fun starts. You need to eject this PCB sandwich from the case from the side. And I don't know how I will assemble it back, because I see some springs inside, but as I mentioned, it's real fun. Let's try to do it. I hope I will be able to assemble it back. It's amazing. Amazing structure of the keyboard. I can see this first time in my life. Inside we have a battery and this is 3800 mAh, pretty standard battery, connected to the PCB. We have this spring, I don't know for what, but it's somehow connected to PCB, and only from the one side. So we have this poron or foam, and it's glue in the PCB. I'm not gonna to remove it, and I'm not gonna to apply a painter type mode because it's really hard to do. Maybe even doesn't make sense. But you know what? Unfortunately, I cannot see any foam between the switch plate and PCB itself, and that's why we have this hollow sound from this keyboard. And again, I don't think I have cut it for this layout any foam. It will be hard to improve this side. So guys, I decided not to mess up with internal PCB sandwich, but it can be done. Theoretically, you need just to remove the foam which is stick to the PCB. You need to remove the battery. You need to apply the painter type mode, and you need to put something in between of this metal switch plate and PCB. Maybe if you will ask for this, I will search and try to find the cutted poron layer for the PCB and switch plate, and I will remove all the stuff from the PCB and we'll do the full modding. If you want this, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Otherwise, I applied this Gatron keyboard switch, right? This Preloop Milky Yellow Pro switches and some high quality PBT keycaps, and now this keyboard for 34 bucks. Obviously it's not 34 anymore with the switches and keycaps, but you've got the idea. Sounds like this. Not bad, right? You can imagine how good it will be with all these mods. And taking account the price of this keyboard and versatility from the connection point of view and full rollover, I think it's just a steal. Check the Amazon, link will be in the description down below. If you want to check this keyboard, as it is like budget, you saw the budget, right? If you want to apply the mods, just leave a comment and I will do it for you. I will show how this keyboard can sound in a perfect full mod version. If you're wondering how I built my other keyboards, check these videos on my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.